morning, this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I wanted to show you my ice princess. Here is my ice princess out in this cold. I have a mask or a scarf over my face. It's so cold out here. But I wanted you to see her outside in the winter. I glittered her shoes. I don't know if the sun's picking up the shine on them or not. Hear the wind? I'm freezing out here. But for you, I'm out here with my ice princess so you can really see her. Okay. Can you get that? And look at our pond. Our pond is almost froze. Over a year ago, I did a collab with Peacecraft Dolls, Beth Ramsden, and J Dolls UK, and what we did was we made an outfit with a fur trim. I did Jill Frost with skates and all, and she has inspired me to make a lot more winter dolls. I don't know if you saw my recent winter pixie, my little snow pixie or not, but she was the inspiration. I see her every morning as I'm getting dressed, and I wanted to, and then I also did the skirt collab and made skates for that doll, and I wanted to do an ice queen, but she turned out to be a princess. Ice queen to me kind of means evil. This girl is not evil. I'm very proud of her. I recently bought a new sewing machine. It has fancy stitches. This is actually silver metallic thread that I sewed her tulle skirt out of, dress out of, and I'm very, very pleased with it. I'm really tickled. And then I glittered her blue shoes. I don't know if it's going to show up. It didn't in the sun like I wanted it to. So I brought her in hoping it would show up more. There's just, I don't know why that's not showing up. These eyelashes that I put in, let me pull her eyes down, are super, super glittery. And I use glitter around her eyes. She has snow. Oh, she also has a neck joint. I don't know if you saw that or not. And I should be holding the back of her head like, you know, a good Blythe owner. She has different blue eyes because ice. And she has the snow on her eyelids. And there are the colors of her eyes. I like these a lot. Darren makes these tiaras, and this one is actually, did we do white? And then I put nail polish, silver nail polish with glitter over it. I like that. And then she even has, I don't know if you can see that sparkle, glitter representing snow that she captured for the rest of the seasons that she'll carry in her cold hands and keep it cold. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.